Okay. So what the fuck does abundance even mean, right? All right. So, whenever we hear abundance, we're like, all right, well, I think that means a lot, right? But there are a lot of people that actually have no idea. They're like, I don't know. I don't ever use that term. Okay. So whenever we are using the term abundance, we are thinking to me it's a mindset. It's a lot of things, but I resort back to, okay, I have an abundant mindset. Okay, and what it means is we're always thinking in terms of enough rather than never enough. Okay. Scarcity, whenever we are thinking like, oh my god, well, there's never enough, there's not going to be enough for me because this person did this, or oh my god, this person's making this much money, so I can't make this much money. We look at it as a there's never enough for me type of thing, right? Um, you know, Whenever we are in a scarcity mindset, and thinking in terms of scarcity and then living in scarcity, okay, usually we have, we're fighting, we are just pissed off most of the time. We're not like, we think good things only happen to rich people, whatever. We use all of these terms of like, oh, making yourself not good enough, right? Or why you're defining reasons why you can't have it. You are arguing literally for your limitations when you are focusing on scarcity and living in scarcity. Whenever you are in abundance and living from a state of abundance, you are arguing for your prosperity. You're arguing for why it will work, not why it won't. Okay. And whenever we expand ourselves and then we realize, oh, there's enough for everyone. There's plenty. Everyone gets a pie. There's never ending freaking pie. Like, it's not like, oh my God, there's one pie and we each get a little sliver. Okay. And this is what scarcity thinks. Okay. But whenever we are in abundance, we realize there's 500 freaking pies, 500,000 million freaking pies for everyone. Okay. You have unlimited pie. Okay. Which I would really like. So, whenever we are in abundance mode, it allows us to receive more because we are open to receiving more. Okay. Whenever we're in scarcity, if we don't think we're worthy of it, we don't think there's enough. Well, guess what? There's never going to be enough and you're never going to be worthy of it. When we're abundant, we realize, hey, I'm fucking worthy and there's enough for me too. So I'm going to go get it. Right. So this is the difference. Okay. And whenever I'm telling you, because I've lived in both, I lived in a scarcity mindset for 20 something years. I can tell you that living in an abundant mindset is a much better place. You feel better, you're happier, you have joy, not because you have things. It doesn't, that's just a symptom of being there, but because you feel abundant. You feel these abundant, happy, healthy, glowing joy feelings, right? You feel fuzzy from the inside out. Okay. So that's, whenever we are obtaining that feeling naturally on the inside and changing the root cause, whenever we focus on abundance, naturally, all of that stuff happens. Okay. So that's the difference, and again, you realize you're limitless. You're not taking from anyone else. Okay. There is enough for everyone. All right. And we're never going to run out. So, okay. I hope this was helpful for you. So if you're ready to shift your abundant mindset, if you feel like, oh my God, I need to get into abundant mindset because I've been living in scarcity my whole life. That sounded exactly like me. Drop a comment below. I would love to know. Okay. Because again, most of us have been there at some point in time, including me for 20 something years. So, all right, guys. And of course, if you want more help with this, please feel free to send me a private message. All right. Have a wonderful rest of your day.